Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises. In today's video, we will talk about a project that's called pepecoinbsc.xyz. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. So hello everybody, in the second part of our video, when we talk about the project pepecoins.xyz. So check your second chance by pepecoins. Pepecoins fully decentralized version. That's how crypto should be. You can check this and you can check the social media that we will enter in the links after we will finish. So why the pep coins are different? Pep is the most memorable meme coin around the world. It's time to make meme coins great again, and I'm some frogs beside all dogs meme coins. So Pep Swap decentralized exchange. Pep Swap, the next evolution in DeFi platforms. Pep swaps give users the ability to provide liquidity, stake and swap token to gain Pep returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income rewards system. Let's talk about how to buy these coins. Firstly, you must create a wallet. Download MetaMask of your wallet of choice from the App Store or Google Play Store. Desktop users download the Google Chrome extension by going to metamask.io. After that, get some BNB. You must have BNB in your wallet to switch to the Pep coin. If you don't have any BNB, you can buy directly on MetaMask, transfer from another wallet, or buy on another exchange, send it to your wallet. Go to PancakeSwap, connect your PancakeSwap, go to PancakeSwap finance.swap in Google Chrome or in any browser that have MetaMask app, connect your wallet, pass the Pep coins address into PancakeSwap, select Pep and confirm. When MetaMask prompts you for a wallet signature, sign. Switch BNB for Pep. We have zero taxes, so you don't need any worries about buying with specific sleep page. You may need to use sleep page during times of market volatility. So tokenomics, no tax, no supply hold, no sex, and no bullshit. So the supplies now is like that, zero taxes, and liquidity is on fire. The roadmap of the project: first phase was the launch, going to the market cap, listing the first 1000 holders, and get Pep coins trading on Twitter with our mimetic power. Phase 2, community growth, Pep swap, and the first 5000 holders and listing. The last phase is Pep swap release, Pep DAO, stacking, liquidity providing, Pep wiki, and Pep farm. So you can contact Pepcoin with this email, or you can check the social media of this project, and you can go here. As you see in BS scan, this is the last transfers and the max total supplies and how many holder now in this project. So I wish I was helpful in this video. If there is any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and thank you very much. Don't forget like and comment, and also follow to our channel, and thank you very much for your watching.